The world of luxury cars is undergoing a seismic shift. For decades, luxury meant the roar of a V8, handcrafted interiors, and mechanical perfection. Now that definition is being rewritten. Luxury is silent, intelligent, and electric. In 2025, automakers are building electric vehicles from the ground up, blending eco-friendly power with stunning design and cutting-edge tech. The electric platform isn't a compromise. It's the new foundation for comfort, performance, and opulence. In this video, we'll dive into the best luxury electric cars of 2025. Prepare to see how style, comfort, and technology are converging in ways we never imagined. Let's get started. First up, the Mercedes-Benz EQS, the electric S-Class for a new era. Its sleek, aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it's engineered for maximum range with over 400 miles on a single charge. The EQS glides silently, delivering smooth, effortless power and redefining what luxury feels like. Step inside, and you're greeted by the hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass dashboard that merges 3 displays into one seamless interface. The MBUX system learns your habits, making the tech feel intuitive, not overwhelming. The seats are more like lounge chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage, while a HEPA air system perfumes the cabin. Rear axle steering makes this large sedan nimble in the city. Automatic comfort doors open and close for you, adding a futuristic touch. The EQS is a sanctuary on wheels, isolating you from the outside world with air suspension and a cocoon-like cabin. Mercedes is also pushing sustainable luxury, offering interiors made from recycled and eco-friendly materials. Every detail is designed for tranquility and responsibility. The EQS isn't just a great electric car, it's a new benchmark for luxury sedans. It blends classic Mercedes comfort with a bold, electric vision for the future. This is what happens when a legacy automaker goes all in on electric. The result? One of the world's best luxury cars, period. The EQS proves that the future of luxury is silent, sustainable, and stunningly advanced. It's not about aggressive performance, but about serene, effortless progress. The EQS lowers your heart rate the moment you step inside. It's the flagship for a new era. And it's only the beginning. If the EQS is about serenity, the BMW i7 M70 is pure electric adrenaline. This flagship sedan packs over 650 horsepower, launching from 0-60 in under 3.7 seconds, faster than many sports cars. Adaptive air suspension and sport modes mean it's both a plush cruiser and a sharp handler. Inside, the BMW curved display merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into a single sleek panel. The real showstopper? A 31-inch 8K theater screen in the rear, turning the back seat into a private cinema. Bowers & Wilkins surround sound and touchscreens in the doors make the passenger experience truly immersive. Advanced driver assist features allow hands-free driving on highways, making long trips effortless. Luxury details abound. Cashmere upholstery, crystal controls, and a light-up interaction bar that responds to your touch. The i7 M70 is as much about being driven as it is about driving. It's a car for executives who want comfort during the week and performance on the weekend. BMW proves that electric doesn't mean sacrificing driving excitement. The i7 M70 is a masterclass in duality, luxury and performance seamlessly combined. It's a tech lover's dream, a driver's delight, and a passenger's paradise. The future of the ultimate driving machine is electric, and it's thrilling. The i7 M70 sets a new standard for what an electric flagship can be. It's bold, fast, and unapologetically luxurious. This is the electric sedan for those who want it all. BMW's electric future is here, and it's exhilarating. The i7 M70 is proof. Enter the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the brand's first all-electric car and a new icon of opulence. The Spectre is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, a grand two-door coupe with the iconic Pantheon grille and spirit of ecstasy. Its presence is commanding, its design pure luxury. Power is effortless. Nearly 600 horsepower delivered in absolute silence. The ride is magic carpet smooth with each wheel acting independently for unmatched comfort. Inside, the Spectre is a bespoke masterpiece. The Starlight headliner now extends to the doors, creating a celestial ambiance. Every surface can be customized. You're not just buying a car, you're commissioning art. Technology is discreet, integrated with the Whispers app for a concierge-like experience. The Spectre's range is ample, but this car is about arrival, not distance. It's a statement piece for the world's elite, designed for grand entrances and serene journeys. Rolls-Royce proves that electric power enhances their legendary smoothness and silence. The Spectre isn't a compromise, it's the ultimate evolution of luxury. This is the new standard for automotive opulence, and it just happens to be electric. The Spectre is more than a car, it's a rolling work of art. Rolls-Royce's electric future is here, and it's more luxurious than ever. The Spectre redefines what it means to travel in style. The electric age has found its icon. This is luxury, electrified. Now let's talk American innovation, the Lucid Air Sapphire. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a four-door hypercar with over 1,200 horsepower. 0-60 in under 2 seconds, one of the fastest production cars ever. 3 motors and advanced torque vectoring give it sports car agility, despite its size. Lucid's engineering delivers both mind-bending speed and over 400 miles of range. Inside, the Air Sapphire is futuristic. A 34-inch glass cockpit, retractable pilot panel, and sustainable materials. Special sport seats and sapphire blue accents set it apart. It's a high-tech lounge and a performance monster in one. The Air Sapphire lets you enjoy serene comfort on the school run, then unleash hypercar performance on a canyon road. Lucid proves you don't need a century of heritage to build a world-class luxury car. The Air Sapphire is a triumph of American ingenuity. It's a bold challenge to the established players, and a glimpse into the future. No compromises, hypercar speed, sedan comfort, and cutting-edge tech. The Lucid Air Sapphire is redefining what's possible. This is the American answer to luxury performance, and it's terrifyingly fast. Meet the NIO ET9, a tech-forward flagship from China aiming to rival the world's best. Built on a 900-volt architecture, it offers ultra-fast charging, over 150 miles in 5 minutes. Dual motors provide smooth, intelligent all-wheel drive. The ET9's AI-assisted driving system uses advanced sensors and LiDAR for safer, more relaxing journeys. Inside, it's like a first-class airline cabin for lounge-style seats, a Sky Island executive bridge, and amenities like a fridge and tray table. The focus is on passenger comfort and convenience. NIO's steer-by-wire tech allows the steering wheel to retract in autonomous mode. The ET9 supports battery swapping, get a full charge in under 3 minutes at a power swap station. An intelligent chassis reads the road and adjusts suspension in real time for a glass-smooth ride. The ET9 is less about traditional luxury and more about seamless tech and passenger-centric design. It's a connected, intelligent space for work or relaxation. NIO is changing the conversation around EVs with innovation and convenience. The ET9 signals China's arrival at the top tier of luxury automaking. It's a bold new vision for the executive car. The future of luxury is global, and NIO is leading the charge. What's driving this new era of luxury EVs? It's the convergence of groundbreaking tech. Advanced driver assist systems now offer true hands-free driving on highways, making long trips effortless. Battery breakthroughs mean 400-plus mile ranges and ultra-fast charging. Refueling is nearly as quick as gas. Interiors are shifting to sustainable materials, recycled plastics, vegan leathers, and eco-friendly woods. AI personalization learns your habits, adjusting everything from climate to music automatically. Massive, seamless screens like the Hyperscreen and curved display make complex tech feel simple. Sound design is now an art. Engineers and composers craft unique soundscapes for each car. Cars are deeply connected. Precondition your cabin, plan routes, and monitor status from your phone. The car is now a smart device integrated into your digital life. Luxury is no longer just about materials. It's about intelligence, sustainability, and seamless experience. These innovations are setting new expectations for the entire industry. The luxury EV is now a rolling tech lounge, a personal assistant, and a connected hub. The future of driving is smarter, greener, and more comfortable than ever. This is the new definition of automotive luxury, and it's only accelerating. The pace of innovation isn't slowing, so what's next for luxury EVs? Solid-state batteries are on the horizon, promising lighter, safer cars with 600-plus mile ranges. Level 3 and 4 autonomy will turn car interiors into mobile living spaces or offices. Eco-friendly materials will go further, with lab-grown leathers and sustainable woods. Cars will become truly carbon neutral, from manufacturing to recycling. 5G and 6G networks will supercharge connectivity, enabling cloud gaming and high-res video calls on the go. More luxury brands, Bentley, Aston Martin, are joining the electric revolution, bringing new design philosophies. Vehicle-to-grid tech will let your car power your home or sell energy back to the grid. Ownership models will evolve. Subscriptions and on-demand fleets will offer ultimate flexibility. The car will be an integrated part of your digital and energy ecosystem. The definition of luxury will keep evolving, driven by tech, sustainability, and experience. The competition will be fierce, pushing innovation even faster. The road ahead is electric, intelligent, and more luxurious than ever. The future isn't just about cars, it's about the entire experience, and it's coming sooner than you think. The luxury electric cars of 2025 are redefining what's possible. From the serene EQS to the blistering Lucid Air Sapphire, you no longer have to choose between comfort, performance, and sustainability. Technology and luxury are now inseparable. These innovations will shape the future of all cars, not just the flagships. The electric, intelligent, and sustainable future is here, and it's thrilling. Which of these models is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more on the future of luxury driving. Thanks for watching.